layover for the third floor. Okay. Na 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 na. From the lounge, I went to the third floor, and now I'm going to the fourth floor. There you are. Let's go. Oh no. All rooms are sold out. Upside down. Just wanna ask. Morning. Oh, it's sold out. Are there any other stays or? But what about the capsule hotel? The capsule hotel? Yeah. Oh. Got it. Thank you. Maybe they have rooms for day hours. Just on the very quick, you don't have an opening for the day as well. 8 a.m. to so I can come back here at 8.
It's better to make a reservation now.
Oh, 8 to 8. So for day, it has to be 12 hours, right?
If you stay between 8 to 8 p.m., we charge minimum $6 per day.
6 hours. One standard double room is 66,550 Korean won or $52. So that's around 3,000 Philippine pesos, and they have a minimum stay of 6 hours for day hours. So if you do the math, it's gonna be 500 per hour. These are the 220 volts that I borrowed. You can borrow them for $5 and they will just return your deposit. Driven by curiosity, I tested the internet speed at Naiya and at Incheon Airport. This one is a free Wi-Fi at the Transit Hotel, and this one is at the Incheon Airport. Incheon Airport also has nap zones, and there is a designated room for that around this area. It's full, and I just want to have a dark, quiet place to rest and leave my things and have a hot shower. Wanted to try their massage, and it's still closed. It's 4 a.m. and wanted to check if the showers are open, and they're closed. Checking out their 7-Eleven. They are open 24 hours, but the rest of the stores are closed at 4 a.m. I think it's best that you check their website. They have this website and they show you the different stores that are available at Incheon Airport, and they also show you if it's available at Terminal 1, Terminal 2, and some stores are temporarily closed due to the pandemic, so it's best that you check that out. I didn't have the free transit tour, and I just stayed at Terminal 2. Oh my gosh. Yay. Ta-da. Very clean, super clean. This supervisor. Some emergency light, the hammer. And you can see the two slippers here. And and watch, and it's silent. It doesn't. How do I turn this on? Usually. Free Wi-Fi. Although I think there is a free Wi-Fi all around the airport already. It is 2:00 p.m. in Korea. You have a discount there. I just need to ask somebody. I want to make sure that the things that I will buy inside Terminal 2 Incheon Airport will not be a problem. For instance, will the weight of the things that I will buy at Incheon Airport be added to my hand carry? The staff of Korean Air at the boarding did say that it's not a problem and that there is no need to pay for excess baggage. However, they will ask if you bought something outside the airport. Oh my gosh! Sebastian, I miss you. Those are pretty cute. Oh, I'm back. Can you find me? So there's this free event. I don't have time.
We have just clip earring, not
Okay. Okay.
hair is like hair too. Not one that like no. Okay, that's me. For this special price of 40% discount.
Oh, this is
shiny.
pretty.
Yeah.
No?
Like diamond.
This is so
soft
pretty. But I'm pretty sure about this one. Warranty for in case that.
It's 1 years and world warranty card, international grant card.
So if I like in San Francisco,
Yes.
if there's a
Swarovski shop is cleaner warranty,
Oh.
so yes.
For free? Is there like a time?
1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Got it. I have a question. Is it true that if you go out of your house and your hair is still wet, it's considered rude here? But really? Is that true?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
Was it her? But now I know.
Got it.
That's so
All
cool.
right.
You packed it first before I paid. Wow. Hi. Hi, to handsome boy. I'm at the hotel. Where can I buy cosmetics that are Korean? Yes, and not the luxury type.
Quite far from here.
Oh,
Really good
but still in Terminal 2?
Yeah, near liquid number 265. Then you can get a Korean brand cosmetic.
Which one? Oh, this one?
This is $20.
20.
This is 10 piece $10. This line you
Yeah, honey.
honey
Right.
case no case.
It is very convenient because the stores accept cash and credit card payments. They accept Korean won, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan, euro, and US dollars.
널 다시 만났던 그날 하필이면 꿈이지도 않았는데 눈이 마주친 순간 빨개진 너의 얼굴이 아직 날 좋아하나 살짝 궁금해 몰래 다가가 놀래켜볼까 이번엔 뭔가 달라 우리 둘 어떨까
No, kay po.